Sacramento, California. This is what happens to your Halloween decor. Austin, Texas. Package thieves are getting out of control. Seriously, it's like a full-time job for these guys. West Sacramento, California. Check out this lady. West Sacramento, California. This delivery driver has been chucking packages at the door and even had the nerve to steal one after delivering it. What a wild move.
You are being photographed.
Portland, Oregon. Portland, Oregon. Carmichael, California. Check her out. Sacramento, California. Here we go again. Another set of kids messing with Halloween decorations. It's not funny, kids. Time to get some manners before you get haunted. Jeffersonville, Indiana. This guy tried to pull off a sneaky package grab, but the neighbor spotted him in action. Let's see how this package snatch ends.
Hey, what are you doing? Put that back. We just saw it delivered. Call the police. Call the police.
Louisville, Kentucky. This is why you should keep your dogs on a leash. Let's find out why.
Whatever.
Louisville, Kentucky. This duo is plotting their grand package heist while being watched by the camera. They came up with a hilariously childish plan to snag the goods. Let's see how this unfolds.
Look, there's a speaker right there. I don't think it was going off.
Oh. I didn't know that they could respond off of the camera.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Uh-oh. Looks like Grandma's got her address mixed up. El Mirage, Arizona. Big shout out to this lady. She spotted a puppy outside and rang the doorbell, waking up the homeowner's daughter to save the day.
Uh-huh. Hello?
Don't forget to like and share this with your loved ones to keep them in the loop. And if you want to catch the next episode, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss it. Las Vegas, Nevada. Check this lady out. Portland, Oregon. San Francisco, California. These two found an unlocked car and stole valuable items inside. Always lock your doors. Little Rock, Arkansas. Carmichael, California. Huge shout out to this homeowner for feeding the coyotes. It's not every day you see someone looking out for our wild neighbors. Just remember, a little kindness goes a long way, but keep your distance, folks. Gilbert, Arizona. Check her out. It looks like someone needs a lesson in not your package, not your problem. Lady, put that back right now. San Francisco, California. What's he up to? Let's keep an eye on this character.
Hey, get out of there. Hey, nope, get out of there.
San Francisco, California. This homeowner made a new friend. Looks like a raccoon is getting a gourmet meal tonight. Who knew dinner guests could be so furry? Gilbert, Arizona. Austin, Texas. Looks like the Ferrari owner forgot a crucial rule. Lock your doors. This guy's on the prowl, hoping to find some shiny valuables. Austin, Texas. This duo thought they could sneak into this house, but as soon as they realized they might get caught, they broke the fence and made a run for it. Portland, Oregon. Salt Lake City, Utah. Check out this clown trying to break into the wrong house. Someone clearly didn't get the memo that this isn't a circus. Santa Clara, California. Looks like this Walmart delivery guy decided to add a little theft to his delivery duties. He dropped off a package and then swiped a pack of yellow American spirits right off the porch. What a shame. San Antonio, Texas. San Antonio, Texas. What the heck is this? Is this a camera glitch or something more mysterious? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Peoria, Arizona. Check out this big bear roaming around the porch. Keep your pets and kids inside and make sure to check outside before opening that door. Safety first. Las Vegas, Nevada. This couple is knocking on the door and just standing there. Looks like they're definitely at the wrong place. What are they up to? San Antonio, Texas. Louisville, Kentucky.
Get away from it.
Rio Linda, California. These guys are cruising around in their car, hunting for packages left outside porches. Keep an eye on your deliveries. Las Vegas, Nevada. Check out this sneaky thief. He first rings the doorbell and hangs around to see if anyone's home, then swoops in to steal the package outside. Classic porch pirate moves. Denver, Colorado. This guy hit the jackpot, robbing a garage of over $5,000 in property last night, including a high-end specialized e-bike. Denver, Colorado. Check out this late-night doorknob wiggler. Looks like someone thinks they're a locksmith. Sacramento, California. Meanwhile, this duo is back at the wrong house again. Let's see what kind of antics they're up to this time. Maybe they're just lost, or maybe they're auditioning for a new reality show called What Not to Steal. Fort Collins, Colorado. Salt Lake City, Utah. She just couldn't resist swiping that decorative gold pumpkin from the porch. Looks like it's time to retire the outdoor pumpkins. Who knew they were such hot commodities? Meanwhile, this duo of package thieves is at it again.
We just stuck there. And man, this nigga's coming.
They covered the camera, tossed the package off the porch, and acted like they were just innocent bystanders.
Come back. Yep. Hold on, I think somebody gonna answer. Hopefully somebody answers. Let me try to see if they got any like type
That's the camera. Can't they respond off it? Let's just keep right there. What thing that they talk back to us?
Swear.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, sir. Y'all got any like yard work we could do for some money or something?
Well,
Any
really,
type of work?
anything for like $15, $20. Like, we clean the webs.
Anything for real? Perfect.
And we'll be back in like, well, now,
Which is?
I don't know.
Come on, cuz they not gonna.
Then they swooped in to grab the goods and bolted. Talk about a sneaky move. Who needs an alibi when you can just play pretend? Commerce City, Colorado. Seattle, Washington. Check out this dude.
You got lunch, dude. Look. What's going on here? Is it a different one they're saying? I'm sure it'll be a different one. So all that is a screwdriver right there, right? That's all this is, a screwdriver. Should be able to take that out no problem. Whatever.
Meanwhile, this garage thief is still lurking around, on the hunt for high-value items. I guess they're only interested in the good stuff. If you see this guy, lock your doors, and maybe hide your valuables a little better. If you want to keep the fun going, click on these videos to watch more wild episodes like this. Trust me, you won't regret it.